Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. And today I'm going to look at the One More ComfoBuds Pro. Now these are new, these are quite something special. They've got multiple noise cancellation modes, 3 mics, AI powered with environmental noise cancellation, a 13.4mm ultra linear driver with extended bass. They do a 15-minute fast charge, which gives 2 hours of playback. And there's a whole load of other specifications here. Weight, really lightweight, 5.2 grams. The case is 40 grams, and you've got, takes a charging time of 1 hour for the headphones themselves. To fully charge the case is 2 hours, and you get 6 hours on the headphones themselves, and up to 20 hours fully charged with the headphones and the case. And yeah, just really good. It's Bluetooth 5. It's got Bluetooth protocols, HFP, H2DP, and HVR-CP. And there's a lot of other interesting tech inside here. So let's take a look at the box. Opens like so. You get some nice diagrams here. You've got the controls, which are very neatly done here. You've got touch controls for playback and listening. Modes can be controlled by tapping the touch control area of the headphone. You can answer a phone call or end a call. You've got voice control as well. Tap the controls 3 times when Bluetooth is on and not on a phone call. You can play, pause, playback, and you've got the various different listening modes. So let's take this out of the box. So these are the headphones, like a sort of a nice little pill shape. Come back to those in a second. Let's see what else we get. So you've got, that's nice. You've got the One More sort of sticker here. Sort of warranty, QR code. There's the booklet. It shows you the charging pin. Shows you how to put the actual silicone buds on and the placement in your ear as well. Talks about power on when will open when the case is opened. The headphone will turn on automatically and turn off. Talks about pairing, and they pair to each other when the lid is open. Shows you all the instructions. You've got the different battery levels as well that tell you what's going on there with the charging methods. And it's Type C. There's the One More music app that gives you far more, and I'll show you that properly. Gives you far more options. And here you've got when the battery's low and there's 25 to 30 minutes left, you'll hear the notification sound, and LED indicator will flash in red twice, which is down there. So again, you've got lots of visual options, which is pretty good. And you can change in the app the various noise cancellation modes. And that's about it. So you've got, it's nice to actually have some written instructions, little cards there. And what have we got in here? Let's have a look. So in here, well, you've even got a little pouch to put them in, even though they've got a protective case. You've got the USB-C to USB-A cable. What else is in here? And you have different size buds to put on them. It's nice, very neat and tidy. And on the other side of the box, and it even comes with this protective skin as well. That's unusual. So if you really want to look after them, you can. But anyway, let's take a closer look at the actual buds themselves. So these are USB-C, which is really handy. So a nice little case. If you take these out, you can see what these look like. These feel very, they're plastic. They're very light. These feel extraordinarily light. Really, really good. So I'm going to show you the app now. So when you first connect them, this is the app, and they've now connected. It shows you the battery level of the case, and you've got various listening modes. Now this is just unbelievable. The noise cancellation is fantastic, mild, and you get little bleeps every time you change it. So, and you've also got a pass through as well, so now you can hear very clearly everything. And you've also got one mode especially for wind noise, again works very well. It takes you still can hear some noise through these, but the amount it cancels out is quite surprising. It does pay to make sure you've got the right buds as well. You've got smart playback, you've got custom settings as well. You can adjust those how you want. Smart playback, auto play and pause, and you can change that. Just all in all really good. You can also burn them in to get the most out of them as quickly as possible. So there we have it. This is the app for the One More. I'll show you a bit more of a close-up of these so you can see. You've got everything here, just a really neat design. So talking about sound quality, these have a very strong mid focus. So you have very clear mids and treble. You've got a good punchy mid bass. They're not a heavy bass headphone. They do have bass. It's there. It's very present. But the idea is not to use the bass to flood the rest of the frequencies out. So these are very nice to listen to, very comfortable to have in your ears. Noise cancellation works well with all the different modes that you have to select via the app. So I simulated various different noises to see how they worked, and they did cut out a fair amount of the actual sound. So a thumbs up for that. Overall, I really like these. They sound very clear, very detailed, and extremely pleasing to use. So it's for this price point, it's amazing what you can get. Noise cancellation, good quality sound, very comfortable, and actually making phone calls were pretty good as well. So that did impress me. If you've got any questions on these, let me know in the comments below. I'll try and answer all the questions. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Catch you soon.